Hey party friends, it's Latoya from Hanging with the Kiddos. If you want to make custom chocolate candy bar wrappers for your next party, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to be walking you through step by step how to use our full cover chocolate candy bar wrapper Canva template, even if you're new to Canva or DIY party printables. If you don't already have the template, you can head on over to our website to download it. And while you're there, you can explore all of the hundreds of Canva templates and pre-designed party printables that we have available. After your purchase, you'll get a PDF that looks like this one. To get started, simply open the PDF and look for the clickable link that says click here to access your template. Go ahead and click the link and it'll take you straight to Canva.
If you're not already logged in, Canva will ask you to sign in or create a free account. You can use all the features you need with a free Canva account. If you want to try Canva Pro for extra features, you can use our affiliate link for a free 30-day trial, but it's totally optional. So once you're logged into your account, you can click Edit Template.
So once you open the Canva template, you'll see a setup like this. Let's go over what each page is for.
Page 1 is the single label template. Page 2 is the full page layout. This page is set up to print 2 labels per sheet. Just drag and drop your finished single label into the frames on this page for easy printing. Next, we have the mockup with 2 main layers. 1, a transparent, shiny layer. 2, a frame layer. We'll guide you through how to create a mockup a little later. In the next section, we'll dive into how to personalize your label using the single label template.
Now, let's take a look at the single label template. As you can see, the label is already pre-designed for you. All you have to do is personalize it. You can change the text, update the colors, and add your own images or clip art to match your party theme. This makes designing super quick and easy, even if you're new to Canva or DIY party printables. This is your front section. This is where you want to keep all of your main text. These are your 2 back panels. This space is perfect for adding a thank you message or a nutritional facts label. To change the colors, click on any section, go up to the Color tab, and select a new color. You can do the same thing with the text. Select the text box, go up to the Color tab, and just select a new color. You can click on any of the text to edit the wording, change the font style, or resize it. Next, you can head on over to the Uploads tab to upload your clip art images. You can also search Canva's library to add clip arts and images to your design.
Now, here's a fun tip. When you add a clip art image like this one, Canva will usually give you some options to play around with the colors. If you look up at the top, you'll see a color tab pop up. That means you can click and change the colors of different parts of the image to really match your party theme or just make it your own. Not every image will let you do this, but most of the time, especially with Canva's built-in elements or SVGs, you'll have those color options. So don't be afraid to try it out. Just add your clip art, see if the color tab appears, and have fun with the customization.
Next, we're going to fully customize the label. We're going to show you how to save it, print, then assemble. Stay tuned.
Once you are happy with your label design, it's time to save it. Go to the top right corner and click Share. Select Download. Choose PNG as your file type. You'll also see an option to adjust the size. I always bump that up by about 1.5 times the original size. This gives you a higher resolution file. Make sure to download only the single label page. Click the Download button, and your label will be saved to your computer or device. Now your file is ready. You can use the saved PNG to print multiple labels per sheet. Create a digital mockup, or upload the single label image into Cricut Design Space or Silhouette Studio and let your machine cut it out for you using the Print Then Cut feature. First, we will show you how to print multiple labels on a page. Next, upload the PNG file of your single label that you just saved. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it in your Uploads library. Next, add the image to the full print layout page and drag the label image onto each of the frames. After setting up your sheet, click on Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print for the best print quality. Select only the full page layout page and click Download.
We're going to be printing our labels out using our DIY Party Glossy Paper Sheets. First, I'm going to select the printer that I'm going to be using, which is my Epson 8550. I want to make sure I select actual size. I'm going to go down to Printer to open up my printer properties and settings. I want to select glossy photo paper for my paper type, and I want to set the print quality to best. Once your settings are ready, go ahead and print.
Now, if you're using a Cricut or another cutting machine and want to use the Print Then Cut feature, here's how you'll print your label in Design Space. Just a heads up, in Design Space, you can only fit one full-size candy bar label per page. Here's how to do it. Open Cricut Design Space, start a new project, and upload the PNG label you saved from Canva. Resize the label to 7.5 by 5.7 inches. If you've added any extra elements in Design Space, select everything and click Flatten so it prints as a single image. Click Make It. Follow the prompts to send your project to the Print Then Cut workflow. In the print settings, select your printer, turn off the ad bleed, and turn on Use System dialog. This is super important because it lets you access your printer's advanced settings. After you click Print, your computer's print window will pop up. Sometimes you may need to minimize Design Space to see it. Use the same settings as before: glossy photo paper, best quality, and print actual size.
Here you can see we have both versions of our printed labels. We have the full page layout with 2 wrappers printed on one sheet, and we have the single label printed using Cricut's Design Space Print Then Cut feature. Now I'll show you how to cut and assemble your wrappers.
Now that you know how to cut and assemble, let's use the mockup page in Canva. The mockup is great for showcasing your design online, whether on social media or in your shop. To get started, go to the mockup page in your Canva template, which has 2 layers. The top layer is a transparent, shiny overlay. The second layer underneath is the frame where your label will go. Select the top transparent, shiny layer and use the crop tool to reduce it, about halfway. Upload your PNG label and drag it into the frame area, resizing it as needed. Finally, uncrop the shiny layer so it covers the entire wrapper again, adding the shine effect over your label. Now let's create a mock-up for the back of the candy bar wrapper. Here's how to do it. Add a blank page to your Canva project. Add your saved label image to the page and duplicate the image. Crop each image for the back panels. Place the 2 cropped images side by side, leaving a small white space in the center. Save this as a new PNG image. Upload the new back image into Canva. Duplicate the mockup page and replace the label image with the new back image.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. If you want to grab the template for the chocolate candy bar wrapper or the glossy paper that we use to print, you can head on over to our website at shop.hangingwiththekiddos.com, or you can find the links to everything in the description box down below. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Happy crafting and see you next time. Bye.